Okay, continuing on our how to make the phone calls. Now remember, once you have made the phone calls, the customer is going to say something to you. Either it will be, please call me back later, or yes, I'm ready to make the payments, or no, I'm not interested. One of those two. And so make sure that, once you have made the phone call, in this notes field, you make some space, you put today's date. Let's say if today it's 12th Jan 17, make sure you put in the appropriate date. So I will put in that Ravi called the customer, and the customer um, confirmed the spot for birthday and will visit Play Gym to make the payment for advance. So this will give us an idea that okay, this is in advanced stage. This, in case somebody else calls the customer, so we don't repeat the same thing and again come across as unprofessional. So make sure you accurately document what was the discussion. If the customer wants us to call them back, let's capture those notes as well. But this is an important information. If you're calling the customer and if you see any of these fields are blank, like the most important or a very important one is email, make sure you try to collect that information. That, sir, I'm just updating your record, can you please share your email address so we can store it in our record for future communications with you? And in that case, the customer will give you their email address and then you populate the email address. As you know, contact number and contact email address, it's really important. It helps us market, it helps us stay connected with the customer.